House 1, House 2. Lots of grapes. The best of the south. 1,740 square meters and an orchard. 2 southern homes right next to each other. As south as the south goes. Grapes. Outbuildings. One is a key-ready, fixer-upper, hybrid type thing. It has a bathroom and everything's basically good enough for simple starters. And the other, well, she's a real fixer-upper. The type of property your mom warned you about. Move into house 1 and then take all the time you need doing up house 2. But whatever you choose here in Bulgaria, it's your house, your land, and your rules. And it's a bright, spacious, and sunny home. Easy upkeep and functional layout. And your annual property tax? €55 per year on both. Yeah, just €55 for 2 houses. You can afford that. Instant transfer of keys, rights, and possession. And the first one to slap down the deposit grabs both homes here in the sunny south. Kitchen, bathroom, and styling goes up the attic. I'll say it again, it's basic, but good enough for simple starters. Where else but Bulgaria are you still gonna get so much land and so many buildings for so little? And remember, each house is owned by Bulgariadirect. And as the name suggests, the sale is always direct. So that means no sellers, no brokers, no estate agents, or any of that jazz. Okay, and here's house 2, and don't say I didn't warn you. Digital nomads, pensioners, and tax dodgers are all talking about geo-transition. And we just call it moving to Bulgaria. That's taking advantage of Europe's lowest living costs. Здравейте, and welcome to the local shop. Малки, 2 малки.
А?
2 малки водички.
Взимай си за малко. Нищо не ще.
А как нищо?
Аз ще преди водички.
Черпите? It's for free. Getting in on the action has never been this easy. The first one to slap down the deposit takes the whole lot. Located in Sladun Nature Reserve right next to Studena. And just 30 minutes to both Turkey and Greece on these smooth new roads. Svilengrad. And right now I'm on the river Maritsa, and Turkey and Greece are right over here. And this is one of 2 twin bridges. One right here in Svilengrad and the other one in Edirne in Turkey. And yeah, the Ottomans were not very nice to us, but Sultan Süleyman sure built some really cool bridges. So guys, obviously we're running crazy late this time. Make sure to subscribe because we'll be showing you the whole town in a future video. And all that's left to say is good night from Svilengrad.